Long before God turned on the sun, hung the stars, or laid a stone, we were on his mind. Sons and daughters, a family for his own possession. A kind and courageous people who know they belong to him, created for the purpose of bringing more heaven to earth. God's love searches the earth, looking for those who look to him and are willing to give him their bodies too. The love of God marvelously wrecked me. Then it rebuilt me. Guilt or shame no longer have a place in me. His love chases away all my fear. God is rebuilding your story, and your whole story is part of his glory. Your body is holding and telling your story. Your body is the land that God's love bought. Give him permission to build. Arise and build. Build the body of Christ. God is building his body, his church, and we are his engineers. We are his body builders.
God is rebuilding me
so that I can help rebuild others like me,
to be a light to my people,
to draw others to him through a new understanding of wellness,
to model strength, courage, and endurance,
to start assuming the best for myself, assume the best of others, assume the best of God, and assume the best for the wonderful future he has planned for me that I can't even imagine yet.
God is rebuilding the disconnect between my spiritual life and my physical body.
To lead others in wellness.
To get my butt moving, to be the encourager that he has created me to be.
To finish well. To help break generational strongholds in my family.
To reach out to women in my community through fitness.
And to honor him with my body.
To be whole and healthy in him.
To help others to find freedom.
To help end human trafficking.
As an example of his power.
To be a better mom for our boys.
For my daughters.
For my children and my students.
To reach broken women in the community.
To go and make disciples.
We are fitness teachers, gospel preachers, getting the church, God's bride, ready for her wedding day. God is calling us. Let's move. Let's renew. Let's build. Become a Revelation Wellness Instructor. Download a packet today.